Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to replace a door handle on a Kia Sorento. First, let's prepare. You will need a few basic tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure your new door handle is ready. Always ensure your vehicle is parked securely, and for an extra layer of safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before you start working. This simple step helps prevent any electrical issues during the process. Now, let's move on to removing the interior door panel. Begin by carefully prying off any small plastic trim pieces that might be hiding screws, often found near the armrest or door pull. Once exposed, unscrew all the fasteners holding the panel in place. With the screws out, use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry the door panel away from the door, working your way around the edges. Finally, disconnect any electrical connectors and the two cables attached to the door handle mechanism. With the interior panel off, you can now access the exterior door handle. Look for the 2 or 3 retaining screws or bolts that hold the handle in place. These are usually accessible from inside the door cavity. Once these fasteners are removed, carefully slide the old door handle assembly out from the door. Now, take your new handle and connect it to the existing rods and cables. Ensure everything is properly seated before securing the new handle, firmly in its position, using the original retaining screws or bolts. We're almost done. It's time for reassembly. Start by reconnecting all the electrical connectors and the 2 door handle cables to the interior door panel. Carefully align the door panel with the door frame and firmly snap it back into its original position, ensuring all clips engage. Reinstall all the screws and any small trim pieces you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect your car's negative battery terminal. Before you finish, thoroughly test the new door handle and the window operation to confirm everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.